Selamat Fatang everyone. A warm welcome to yet another episode of the Benchmark Food Review series. And today, Alisha and I are going to the Kadam House located in Kolapitia Marine Drive to simply sit back, relax, and enjoy good, delicious food.
Kadam House is simply a one-stop restaurant that brings Sri Lankan and Malaysian's best flavors and spices that leave you with a very big smile on your face.
Have we ordered?
Yes, the menu itself looks nice, man.
Bro, there's a lot.
Yeah, no? There were a lot of varieties.
Yeah. What shall we start with?
Starters,
Okay.
or soup. Appetizers,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
You think you're the one who's Indonesian, you should choose. I don't know what to choose.
Okay, fine, we'll see. You're always having this problem. You can't pick one. Shall we go with coconut
Crab cake.
I had
The name looks
I had
interesting.
chocolate cake, rubber cake, whatever it is, coconut crab cake. We'll try it.
Yeah, the
We'll try
name
that, right?
looks interesting. Okay,
We'll go with coconut crab.
shall we order?
Yeah.
It was so quick, no?
Yeah.
It's not like a cake, but it looks interesting. No?
We'll try.
We'll try.
Yeah. So first, being so generous today. Okay.
I'm always interested.
I'll have it with the spoon, fork, fine.
Try the sauce also.
Let me enjoy this alone. That's good. It's good with and without both. It's really good.
And with the vegetable.
You can eat.
The appetizer was so good. I don't know what.
Choose now. I can't choose.
There's chicken, fish, calamari. I can't choose.
There's a
That's
whole
it.
lot, right?
Wait, on the first page, I remember if you don't know what to order, you could ask somebody. Let's ask somebody, man.
We'll ask somebody.
Because there is so much. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
We don't know what to order. Everything looks so good. We don't know what to choose. Yes.
And after we don't know.
Okay, no problem. I'm here to help you this one regarding. My name is Khalid, by the way. So the appetizer, you already tried the coconut crab cake. So, was it delicious?
It was delicious.
Thank you so much. So the main course, I will recommend something in chicken, mutton. Which one you want to try? So chicken.
Famous.
I will recommend you this one, the chicken varubal. This one actually a dry portion with so many fried onions there. It's one kind of sizzling type.
Right.
So when it comes, like, you will hear the sound of sizzling. You know these things, like
right.
when in a sizzling plate, something like that. But it's a bit spicy. Is it okay for you? It's manageable.
Right. Okay.
The second one, I will recommend you that this one. We have a red snapper fish. It's like about 700 gram, 800. Since you're
Right.
2%, right?
Yeah.
So 700 gram enough. You know, like that. We have sometimes 1.5 kg also. So you know, like
Really?
700 gram.
Yes, 700 grams. Right.
It comes the whole fish. I will recommend you. This is the cooking style. If you see the black pepper one, it goes very good with the fish. Why? Because this is aromatic fragrance of black pepper, crushed peppercorns. So it's this, you will get the flavors of that one with the smell of aromatic flavors. And apart from that, rice or anything?
Yes, right. No?
Rice, since you came in a Ceylon Malaysian cuisine, And these are the Sri Lankan style, the main course. So
Yeah.
go for rice in a Malaysian style.
Right.
I'll give you that nasi goreng.
Right.
It's like one kind of famous Malaysian
Right.
fried rice. They call it nasi goreng. You can try this one.
Yes.
This one. Drinks for you, ma'am. Will you choose by yourself, or I recommend the best one for you?
Could
Something
you
the
recommend?
most
Yes.
popular here. You can try. So many. We have bunch of drinks and more coming also. Now we will add more. So I would recommend this one. You can try the Ketham House ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
This one is zero alcohol.
Right.
It's a ginger beer, and we make it here.
Right.
This one,
All in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, and this is our one. We make it
right.
here. It's not the can one or something like that. The
Right.
bottle one. And second one, fresh juice.
Yes, definitely.
Try the watermelon, 100% fresh. That one.
Right. Yeah.
All right.
It'll be
Thank
good for the climate talk. Yes, I can't believe they have a ginger. It's actually good, Ben. It's actually good.
I'm telling you, there's no added sugar. This is so fresh. You can.
But then this is like, I thought ginger beer, it would be more ginger flavory, but it's not like that. You'll regret not ordering ginger beer. Good na? Good na?
Oh, very different.
I wish they could have this juice bar. Can't me. It's actually sizzling, no?
You can hear it, right?
Yeah.
We'll
Just
try
try-
it.
yeah, let's start
we'll
with
try,
that.
we'll try.
You serve this time.
Okay. Give me a plate, please.
They've put a lot of onions, no?
Yeah. This is chicken. You need a chili?
Yeah.
You need chili? Okay.
I wanted it to be extra hot, like you mentioned.
Okay.
Enough.
Okay. We'll try.
Wait. Let's eat it with rice, man. You serve. It's a good portion size for 2 people, no?
You want more?
One more.
Have vegetables. There is. Oops.
Thank you.
Okay. You can start eating.
No, it's okay. Take the red chili also.
No. Okay, we'll try.
How was it?
How is it?
It's so good. Like the chicken, it's so, I don't know, it's so spicy, and with the onions, it adds on to the flavor.
Yeah. I had my second chicken.
Ah, really? I think because it's Malaysian cuisine, like the nasi goreng, I feel this is a proper nasi goreng. Like, we eat from other shops and it's not like this. Like everything goes together well, no?
Yeah.
Ah, looks so good.
I can't serve. You do it.
I first serve the gravy.
Okay.
It's mouth
It
watering.
feels like a crime. You're breaking this art into pieces.
You know, don't make me feel bad.
Shall we dig right in?
Yeah, yeah. That's enough. Okay. I'm sorry I broke your heart. One more curry?
No. You can have. Try this one.
The fish is so good, no?
Yeah.
The gravy, it's like there's something sweet but also spicy, and I don't know what they
You
put
get
in.
the pepper flavor as well.
Yeah,
Like you
no?
said. That's pepper and that's sweet.
I think we ordered the perfect combination. This has a sweet taste and that is like super spicy,
Spicy.
and the rice is, I don't know. The ones he made good choices.
He made. Ravina, tell me, what's your favorite?
First,
Mm-hmm.
second, third. Yours? Fish?
Because I like seafood. I like that.
Really? Because of the
Good.
sweet flavor.
I like fish.
Oh,
I like sweet. Pepper is also good. And these two will go half. Right.
Thai.
Because these two combo are really good. And that one you can eat alone.
That you can eat alone. No, even the gravy, it's like, I don't know. They're too much pepper, but it's like more sweet. But then there's a, when it's sweet, you get a tad of pepper.
Yeah. I will get a gravy dish.
Gravy.
Yeah.
So then what type of
Asking itself.
Yes, please. Yes, ma'am. How is the dining going?
It's really good.
How may I help you, ma'am?
We need to try something gravy.
So I recommend you something seafood.
Yes.
Seafood. Then you can go, ma'am. This one, Trinco style calamari. This one.
Okay,
It's a
okay.
gravy one from the Trinco style. This one, and we use the Ceylon spice there. So it's a very tasty. It's not spicy, but very tasty
Yeah.
flavors. This one.
Good.
And you can try something. I think you're something mutton or beef.
Yeah. Better.
That is good.
I recommend
Go with
this
beef,
one.
mutton.
The mutton one, but the pal Korean. This one is slow cooking until get dry. We add coconut milk, so very soft one. You will love that one. Boneless. This one.
Okay. So
We'll try both.
both.
How is everything at the moment?
This is really good.
Actually, it's really good.
Really good.
Thank you so much. Give me 10 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah,
This up soon.
sure.
Right. Enjoy it.
Everything is so good, we can't stop ordering.
Okay.
Everything looks so good. Okay, I'll serve this, you serve
Yes. I like seafood. Yeah. This is mutton, right?
Yeah. I don't have space in my plate.
Same. Well, let me try. That was really good. I like the mutton. How's the calamari?
The gravy only is the highlight, I felt. It's like,
The mutton was well seasoned.
really?
I don't know what are they putting. It's really
It's like,
good.
I don't know, magic. It's like, normally when you go to a restaurant, one dish is good, but this is like, everything is
True.
I don't know why, but it feels like, I don't know, like your mother is there to step cooking in the kitchen. I don't know, it feels so
And
great.
it reminds me of my mom, all these spices and all. The way she cooks, very similar. It's like homemade.
Yeah. They tell Malaysian cuisine, but I feel like they have infused Sri Lankan flavors into it, and I don't know, I remember going to Trincomalee once and it was a similar seafood curry, like the calamari curry. It was so, it's like Trincomalee, Malaysia, like the nasi goreng and all. It's like everything all in one place. It's very tasty. Hot meal. Super spicy, hot.
Spicy and hot.
Yeah, especially the calamari, the Trinco calamari. I feel like they should have the chili sauce. So, but it is so good. Do it.
Shall we order another drink?
Another drink?
Yeah.
I want masala chai. You know what?
I want a drink. I want a drink. It's very spicy.
Let's try
So we will have. I need something very fresh. I'll go with the same thing. And there are orange.
Yes. I think I remember seeing the Sri Lankan orange or something.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
Okay. Perfect way to end
My life is calming down.
happy. The masala chai, it's like it tones down everything, and I don't know. It's like finally puts my stomach to sleep again. I don't know.
Let me say one more time.
It was perfect. So perfect. 5 star. I don't know if you can give 5 star for a restaurant, but then yes, definitely. And their service was great. Really polite.
We'll tell it one more time. 1, 2, 14. Okay, 1, 2. Tatum House. It was
Voila.
so good.
Whether it be the adorable fish bowl at the entrance, or the small plants on the table, or the abstract pieces of art on the wall that makes you stop for a minute and look a bit closer.
So guys, all in all, Tatum House was
So we'll start with the food. Okay, food was amazing. You can see in our videos we be saying perfect. They will be saying so good, like so many times. It's actually really good. We had 6 different dishes and 4 different drinks. It was all unique. It was very flavorful. Yeah, it was very flavorful and lower sugar content. And then their service. Okay, their service was superb. Okay, they were very friendly. They are always with smile. They'll be like, "What do you want?" They give a very good service, right?
Yeah.
So
they give recommendations also.
yeah. So even if we are gonna tell it in Tamil, it's like
நீங்க வந்தா மட்டும் போதும். நீங்க மெனு கார்டு ஓபன் பண்ணா மட்டும் போதும். After that they will guide you.
Yes.
Everything.
They'll do all that. So it's really nice place. And about the settings and everything.
Yeah. And just want to add, like, we ordered one dish, we took one bite, and it was love at first bite. And then when we went on the second dish, like first the crab cake, then the fish, everything. It was like every bite
Special
was
treat.
yes.
Special treat. You're treating your own soul. Like.
Yeah, and it felt like homemade, like because they had included Sri Lankan spices also. It gives a nice homemade feel as well as a Malaysian touch to it. Like some of the dishes are from Malaysia, but then because they have added the Sri Lankan element in, I don't know, it makes you feel. I don't know. It feels like home. It feels like home, and
People are very friendly. Food is very friendly.
Yeah.
All are welcoming. It's
Yeah.
very cozy. You can get, you can come with your family or friends. It's very nice here.
and they have nice portraits on the wall. I don't know. It's like abstract art. I don't know what exactly means. I haven't. They have a QR code to scan. I haven't scanned it yet, but I don't know. I feel like every portrait has a story. Every dish has a story. Whether it be Sri Lanka. Some dishes are in Sri Lanka, some dishes are from Malaysia, some dishes in Sri Lanka from Trincomalee. Like they had chicken barwal, so I feel like it's from Jaffna also.
Jaffna as well, yeah.
So I feel like they've combined all over Sri Lanka and Malaysia as well into one place and one dish. Like it's all in all, it was a good experience. Like from the spine of our cheeks, I don't know, my cheeks are hurting so much.
So everyone, we recommend you to come here.
To Tatum House, you won't be disappointed.
That's it from us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon for more food adventures or cozy food talks. Until then, happy eating, everyone!